Hey guys, hope y'all are having a great day. Today we're going to start a new project where you're going to create your own website that is about careers, about the careers that you are considering, that through what we've talked about, you decided maybe these are things that are going to interest you. So to create your own website, we're going to use Google Sites. Google Sites is super easy. Maybe later on in the year, I'm going to teach you how to use HTML, where you create your own website from scratch. But for right now, it's kind of like we're going to use a cake mix to make a cake instead of making it from scratch. We're going to use Google Sites. It's really simple and easy, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So our first step is we're going to open up a new tab in Google Chrome, and over here on your waffle, you're going to choose Sites right here. So yours might not be in the same spot as mine, but there's Sites. When you do that, you're going to open it up and it's going to have Start a New Site blank, or it's going to have some different templates. And you may not see the exact same templates that I do, but you're going to have one there that says Student Portfolio. Now, after you've created one, your sites are going to be down here, the ones that you've created. So these are the sites like my Mr. Mintz site right there. So what I want you to do is find Student Portfolio. If you don't see it right there, you can click Template Gallery and scroll down through it and find the one that says Student Portfolio. Now, you could use any of these templates, but I think this one's going to be the easiest for you to do. Now, the cool thing is you can always start over. It really doesn't take very long. I think you're going to find this is pretty easy. The very first thing I want you to do is to rename your site, and that's right here. This is the file name for the site. This isn't going to necessarily be shown anywhere on your site. This is so that when you turn it in to me, I know whose site it is that I'm grading. And so I'm going to put, and I want you to put your first name, last name, and what period you have me. Okay, just like that. And that's what I want you to name your site. Then from there, you can put in things like here, you can put your name, or here's where you can get a little bit more creative. So for example, I might put Mr. Mintz's career site, something like that, see? Here we can change all kinds of things. So here's where you can start really playing with it and seeing what all you want on your site. Now, what I want you to do is to create a site about 3 different careers that you think you might want to use. So here's where you use Zello and other sites, but mainly I want you to use Zello because it has tons of great information about different careers, and you've already taken the Matchmaker program to show you what might be a good fit for you. So pick out your 3 favorites. They don't have to be the top 3 that Zello said, but your 3 favorites, different careers, and you're going to use this site to create, think of it as like an online brochure, a website telling people about your 3 favorite careers. You're going to need to give information from Zello to put on here, things like how much money do people make in that career? What do they actually do day in and day out in that career? And how do you become one? Do you have to go to college? Do you have to get a special degree? Do you have to go through special training? How do you get into that career? So those are the 3 big questions. How much money do they make? What do they do? And how do you become one? Those are the 3 big things I really want you to answer with the information that you provide for each of the 3 careers. So 3 careers and at least 3 things about that career. Now, we're going to talk more and more about how to organize this and everything else, but let's just do some real basics here. For example, here we've got this picture in the background. I want to change it. So right here it says Change Image. And I can upload a picture I already have, or I can select an image. And here I can go through different images. So let's say I want to use this keyboard, or I can go to search and go to Google search, and maybe I want to find a picture of a teacher because I want to be a teacher. So I'm going to find a good picture of a teacher here, and I'm going to select that and put that in the background like that. And then I'm going to put Mr. Mintz's career site, something like that. Okay? I might decide to have it more like spaced out. I can play with all kinds of different things here, however you want to do it. I can play with different fonts. You got it. Okay? So play with these things, start figuring out how you want to organize it. If you want to have 1 career, 2 careers, 3 careers, you're also going to be able to change pages and add pages. And so we'll talk more about this as we get into it. Today, I want you to just start off playing with it. So have a good time, explore Google Sites, make sure you first rename your site. Okay? Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.